Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video. I'm taking my second road test with this camper. This time I'm taking it to have it weighed at a local rock quarry. I called them ahead of time. They agreed that they said it's no problem if I come over there and weigh the camper. And I'm super curious and looking forward to seeing what this thing is going to weigh. My guess is less than 2,000 pounds. I'm hoping for around 1,800. I don't know exactly. Right now, all I have in it is, well, the cabinets and everything is in the rear. I have the bed in here, but no other bedding or kitchen supplies or anything like that. I checked the tongue weight a couple nights ago and it was 200 pounds. It's a little lower than it was before. Not really sure why, but yeah, it was 200 pounds. And then since then, I added all the fluid for the battery heater and cooler, so that added probably a couple pounds there. So it might be slightly higher than 200 pounds now. But we have a little break in the weather. You can see it's just gray. So I have a slight opening. So I'm gonna run over there right now before it starts pouring again and see what it weighs. Well, I just got back. The gimbal's doing goofy things. I just got back. I can hear the rain about to start coming. I can hear it in the distance. So again, this will be quick. The number was 2,260 pounds. So it's higher than I thought it was gonna be. I think it's gonna be okay though. It still tows really, really well. Like I said, the tongue weight is 200 pounds. So that's a little light. While I'm traveling, what I would probably do is take the Dometic fridge that's in the rear and just move it up to the front and strap it down inside in the front just to help balance there. And maybe I'll see if I can add a spare tire for the front. That'll help some tongue weight up front. Here comes the rain. All right, I guess that is it. 2,260 pounds, not bad. Heavier than I thought, but not bad. Thanks for watching.